2019 Chevy Silverado LTZ 1500 with a short bed. We installed this very nice looking Truxedo Truxport soft roll-up cover, which is going to keep all of the cargo out of sight and out of mind. When you walk alongside this truck, you're not going to know what's inside the bed. It has a nice, clean, flat look. This rail system sits on top of the bed about 1.5 inches. You go out to your truck, you lower the tailgate, you're going to be able to access the cover. It has great weather sealing on the back to ensure your stuff stays dry. You come under here and you push down this latch underneath and it pops the cover up in seconds. Goes right up. We clamp on these rails to the side of the bed. There's 3 clamps on each side which require no drilling. It's going to ensure that cover stays down and secure. This has high quality Velcro, and this warranty covers all of this. It covers the sealing, it covers the stitching. You're not going to have to worry about this cover not lasting because Truxedo gives you a 5-year warranty on it. You're going to be able to roll this cover up in seconds on the bed. You'll notice the aluminum support bows on the cover. Here's another one coming up right here. You get your full bed access in seconds. So when you need to roll it up all the way, you just hook it into here and you drive down the road highway speed safe. So the reason people get the roll-up cover is that they want their full bed access. They want to be able to load large items like this, go down the road safe. You got your full bed. You easily can unroll it from one side, giving you that total access that you deserve. And then you just put the cover there and you push it down, and that's what it latches onto. And then you can just run your hand alongside here, which is going to seal up the bed really nice. Keeps the weather out, it keeps your cargo out of sight. It has weather sealing down here. You just pull down the Velcro, run your hand alongside the bed. These are the hooks to drive with it open, and it keeps all your cargo safe and dry. So if you have a pickup truck and you want to get a high quality, economical, soft roll-up cover, you should get the Truxedo Truxport, available at truckaccessplus.com.